Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, firstly we are seeing a beautiful set of Vichithra silk sarees with heavy embroidery patterns. The saree is coming with a running pallu and a Bangalore silk blouse also with embroidery work. And this beautiful set is priced at 720 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And moving to the next collection, a trendy set of Khadi Organza sarees. A beautiful digital printed floral patterns are running all over the saree and the embroidery borders with cut work enhancing the elegance of this collection. And this is coming with a Bangalore satin silk blouse piece. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 849 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For other states even the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Kindly note our payment mode is through online only and please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Also, if you guys wanted our quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. Hope you guys enjoy these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.